The coffee's getting cold on the table. I'm watching the clock like it's unstable. You said you'd be here around 9, but every minute without you feels like wasted time. We've been circling this for so long, two hearts dancing to the same slow song. I know you feel it when our fingers brush, that spark we try to hide, but it's never enough. Oh baby, we're standing on the edge tonight. One step forward could make everything right. I'm tired of almost, tired of someday. I want you here, I want you to stay. We're almost home, almost there, almost ready to lay it all bare. Almost home, can you feel it too? This love is calling me, calling you. No more running, no more games. Let's stop pretending we're okay with the same. We're almost home, baby, come on. Let's make this feeling where we belong. Yeah, yeah, almost home. Your laugh still echoes in my head from the late night talk on the rooftop instead. We spoke about dreams and fears and plans, but never said out loud what we both understand. I don't need perfect, I just need real. Your hand in mine is the only deal. We've come this far, why stop now? Let's cross the line and figure it out. Oh baby, the moment's right here in our hands. Don't let fear steal what the heart demands. I'm ready if you are, just say the word. Together we'll write what we both deserve. We're almost home, almost there, almost ready to lay it all bare. Almost home, can you feel it too? This love is calling me, calling you. No more running, no more games. Let's stop pretending we're okay with the same. We're almost home, baby, come on. Let's make this feeling where we belong. If tomorrow feels uncertain, that's okay. We'll face it together, come with me. No more what